Good morning, guys. Just to have a quick overview of some things happening around the house, some Christmas decor. I also have some finds I seen at Walmart, some grocery items. I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you keep coming back for more. Thank you. This is also my bread box makeover. I saw something similar on Amazon for $35, and I just did this myself, and I'm pretty pleased. I have also included some cleaning that I've done around the house, scrubbing the fireplace, scrubbing the couch, wiping it down. This is our little secret door makeover. I did the molding, I painted the door, my husband installed the door. This is a bar stool that I redid for my desk area. You guys know how I like to do things on my own. So I painted a plain black stool hot pink and added a green cushion. Some great finds at the Dollar Tree. Lights, wax melts, kitty food, cleaning stuff, socks for my little daughter. Really cool stuff. Tree skirt as well.